Let's go on a journey to Giethoorn, the hidden gem of the Netherlands. Welcome to Giethoorn, the enchanting village often called the Venice of the North, where cars are replaced by boats and time seems to stand still. In this video, we'll take you on a journey through this idyllic Dutch village, exploring its peaceful canals, charming thatched-roof cottages, and lush gardens. Begin with a serene shot of the village from a distance, with its iconic canals glistening under the sunlight. As the camera glides closer, showboats gently drifting along the water, with locals and tourists alike enjoying the peaceful atmosphere. Take viewers on a boat tour through Giethoorn's winding waterways. Capture the beauty of the thatched roof houses, many of which date back to the 18th century, nestled amidst vibrant flower gardens. Highlight the unique experience of navigating the village by boat, with no cars in sight.